welcome to Aptitude Destination. Please pause the video and read the question completely. So what is the least possible number of cuts required to cut a cube into 64 identical pieces? So this is easy to decode just in your mind itself. So firstly, I'm going to solve this, then I'm going to teach a trick or something that you should note down for your upcoming exams. So let's just concentrate on 64 pieces right now. So we know that this is one cut, right? So I'm placing the knife here and cutting through. So this is one cut, and this is the second, and this is the third cut. And I'm going to cut through all the three axes. So this is another cut, 2 and 3. So now we have cut 6 cuts. Now we are going to go through this axis. This is one cut, this is the second cut, and this is the third cut. So now we have cut the cube 9 times, and if you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 in each row. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So 16 into 4 is giving us 64. So with just the logic and a little bit of thinking, you can solve this. But then I want you to remember something, because this is kind of something that follows a logic. Since we are dealing with cube, one thing that you should note down is that if someone is asking about the least number of cuts you need to make in order to get the maximum number of pieces, you should always cut something in all the three axes in order to get the maximum number of pieces. I hope you understand this. So X, Y, and Z axis. So to make it more understanding, let me draw a small cube here. So basically, if I am taking, let's take 3 cuts. If I am going to cut one here, 1 cut, 2 cut, and 3 cut, I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces, right? For 3 cuts, I'm getting 8 pieces. But let's say I'm taking the same cube and I decide to cut the cube in only longitudinally. So 1, 2, and 3. That's it. I have wasted all the 3 cuts. Now the number of identical pieces I got is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 4 pieces. So in order to get the maximum number of pieces with the minimum number of cuts, you need to make it in all 3 axes. So now I think this is clear. So the concept that I need you to note down is this: cuts and number of pieces. Okay. So let's say I am doing the least cut now, that is 3 cuts. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So for 3 cuts, I get 8 pieces. Now if I make another cube and I make 2 cuts in each axis, okay? So this is 2 cuts, and this is 2 cuts, and this is 2 cuts. Now how much do I get? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row, and there are 1, 2, 3 rows. So basically I'm getting 27 pieces for 6 cuts. Next, for 9 cuts, we know the answer. We get 64 pieces. So by now you should have decoded for 12 cuts how many pieces we are going to get. So if you have not decoded, this is the answer. So 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 27 is nothing but 3 cube. 64 is nothing but 4 cube. And the next answer would be 5 cube. And it goes on like this. If you make 15 cuts, you're going to get 6 cube. So this is some concept that I want you to remember. This is going to help you if they ask any similar sums. You'll save a lot of time.